Hi, today I want to make smash burger. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Preparation time is nearly 15 minutes for this recipe, which makes 4 servings. Ingredients, they are also mentioned in the description. Number 1, 1 pound of ground beef, preferably 80% lean. Number 2, 1 teaspoon of canola oil. Number 3, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, divided. Number 4, 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground pepper, divided. Number 5, 4 hamburger buns, split. Optional ingredients, mayonnaise, sliced American cheese, sliced tomato, dill pickle slices, lettuce, ketchup and yellow mustard. Cooking directions. Step 1. Place a 9-inch cast iron skillet over medium heat. Meanwhile, gently shape beef into 4 balls, shaping just enough to keep together, do not compact. Step 2. Increase burner temperature to medium or high and add oil. Working in batches, then add beef. With a heavy metal spatula, flatten to 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Thickness, sprinkle each with 1/8 teaspoon salt and pepper. Cook until edges start to brown, about 1.5 minutes. Turn burgers and sprinkle each with additional 1/8 teaspoon salt and pepper. Cook until well browned and a thermometer reads at least 160 degrees, about 1 minute. Repeat with remaining beef. Step 3, serve burgers on buns with toppings as desired. Lastly, some tips for a better smash burgers. Want a smashed cheeseburger? Add a slice of your favorite cheese right after you flip it. The more you work the ground beef, the tougher the burger will be. So use just your fingertips to form the loose balls. Don't worry about tucking in all those loose strands that may stick out. They turn into well-browned bits of goodness. There is a lot of flavor in the browning, so after you smash them, don't move them until you're ready to flip. If you have the space, flip the burger onto an unused area of the skillet. It's much hotter than the section of pan where the burger was. Using a meat mallet to press on the spatula while you're flattening the burgers will help to form them evenly and will help keep your spatula from bending. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the recipe.